Many people ask me, can a sock printer really print any pattern?
Can I print photos?
Can gradients be printed?
If it's a thin line, what about a text?
Today, I will give you the answer using 4 real-world tests. First, we must clarify that the core technology behind a sock printer is digital direct-to-fabric printing. Unlike screen printing, which requires the creation of printing place, it functions much like a home printer, spraying the design directly onto the fabric. Let's print a photo featuring facial details. Take a look at the result: the eyes, eyelashes, and skin texture. Provided your image resolution is high enough, the printer can reproduce them with remarkable fidelity. Gradient effects. This is a key strength of digital printing, as it allows for unrestricted color mixing, unlike traditional printing, which faces color limitations. Observe this transition from blue to purple. There are no distinct color breaks. The gradation is remarkably smooth. Ultra-fine lines. When printing a set of lines ranging from 4 mm down to 0.1 mm, we can observe that the 0.1 mm line is remarkably sharp. Socks are made of elastic fabric. Won't the printed patterns crack the moment you put them on? Let's put them to the test with some extreme stretching. As you can see, even after being heat-cured to set the colors, the socks remain completely intact. After reviewing these 4 tests, do you now have a clear idea of what a sock printer is truly capable of? If you're still wondering whether a specific design can actually be printed, simply post the image in the comment section. We'll give you a reliable assessment.